Bon dia, it's a beautiful day here, Tuesday the 7th of February. It's 7:30 in the morning, so still very early. Still shorts and t-shirt weather. I'm just about to do my magic trick. So if you like cats, stay tuned. So you may know where we are now. There's a picture of a cat coming up to Boardwalk here. No cats, but wait, magic will occur. Or will it? Perhaps there aren't any cats around today. But I have some cat treats. I'm going to start shaking the box. First puss, puss, oh, there's one. Hello, pussy. Let's see if we've got any more. Puss, puss. Oh, there's another black one coming along. Let's see if we can get these open. They look hungry. Actually, they're not hungry because these wild cats aren't really wild. They are wild. They live out here, but they're super tame. Oh, they're enjoying their breakfast. And why not? It's a lovely, lovely, lovely day here. And it's only 7:30 in the morning. Oh, we've got a few more. Come on, boy. Got some here for you. There we go. Oh, there's another one. Come on. So just to show you how tame these so-called wild cats are, have a look at this. Hello, pussy. Yeah. I know you'd rather have your food, wouldn't you? Let's have a look at this one here. Hello, puss. There we go. So yeah, it's 7:30 in the morning. Sorry, it's not 7:30, 8:30 in the morning. It's a lovely day. February's a great time to come. It's quiet. Oh, we've got even more cats coming now. So enjoy the rest of your day back in the UK or wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you next time.